Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today our mother teacher topic is soil part 1. So let's talk about it. Soil is one of the most important natural resource. It provides anchorage to the plants and supplies water and nutrients. It is home for many organisms. Soil is essential for agriculture. Agriculture provides food, clothing and shelter to all. Soil is thus the inseparable part of our life. The early fragrance of soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Soil is teemed with life. The statement states that the soil contains different type of living organisms that help in sustaining life. Soil comprises million and billion of living organisms that the complex ecosystem and is the most precious resource to human. A soil is horizon is a layer parallel to the soil surface whose physical, chemical and biological characteristics differ from the layer above and beneath. Horizons are defined in many cases by obvious physical features, mainly color and textures. Humus is the dark organic material present on top of the soil. This organic matter mainly consists of dead and decayed animal substance, dried leaves, twigs, grasses, vegetable, microbes and other nutrients. Humus is naturally obtained soil which can be easily produced through a process called compositing. In soil science, humus denominates the fraction of soil organic matter that is amorphous and without the cellular structure characteristic of plants, microorganisms and animals. Humus scientifically affects the bulk density of soil, contributes to its retention of moisture and nutrients. Weathering describes the means by the which soil, rock and minerals are changed by physical and chemical process into the soil components. Weathering, the means by which soil, rock, minerals are changed by the physical chemical process into the soil components. Weathering break down and loosen the surface mineral of rocks. Hence, the broken rocks are transported to another place where it decomposed and the form soil. Therefore, weathering is important for soil formation. So let's talk about facts about the soil. Number 1. 70,000 different type of soil in the US. Number 2. 1 tablespoon of soil has more organism in it than there are people on the earth. Number 3. 500 minimum years it takes to form 1 inch of topsoil. Number 4. 5,000 different type of bacteria in 1 gram of soil. Number 5. 1% of the earth water held in soil. Number 6. An average soil sample is 45% minerals, 25% water, 25% air and 5% organic matters. Number 7. Soil is approximately 46% oxygen, 28% silicon, 8% aluminium, 5% iron and 4% calcium. So kids, tell me, what is humus? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the soil part 1. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.